Creating a SWOT analysis gives you the advantage of recognizing and working on different elements of your business, even if it's still a project, a new business, or a working restaurant. Not sure how to perform a SWOT analysis for your restaurant? Here I show you how. Hello, my name is Victor. I'm a restaurant advisor for Whiteria, and I'm here to help you create a successful restaurant. Today I'll tell you about how to perform a SWOT analysis for the business plan of your new restaurant. Let's get right into it. A SWOT analysis or matrix is a managerial tool that allows you to define different elements of your business, so you can then formulate a plan that helps you make the most of the positive elements and reduce the impact of the negative ones. These elements are divided into two categories, internal and external, each one containing one positive and one negative. In this video, I'll tell you about each one of them. I'll give you some examples and some tips so that you can create a SWOT analysis for your business in the best possible way. Let's start with the positives, that is, the strengths and opportunities. Strengths are the internal positive elements of your business. Some examples are that you have a good starting budget for your business, that as the owner of your business you have experience in different areas that benefit your project, such as having experience running a kitchen as manager and with digital marketing. That you have partners experienced in similar fields or running restaurants. That you have an incredible and unique menu. That you have previous clients in case your business is the result of a previous business. This applies if, for example, you had a food truck or a catering service and you decided to create a restaurant based on your experience. All these strengths give your business a competitive advantage. Opportunities are external positive elements of your business. Some examples are that your restaurant is the only one of its kind in your area, that you have no direct competition, that there is a wide variety of providers in your area, that you have access to bank loans or investors who show interest in your proposal, that your restaurant is located in a tourist area. All these opportunities are exploitable to improve the possibility of success of your business. Now come the negative elements that can affect your business. Weaknesses are the internal negative elements of your business. Some examples are that you have no experience running similar businesses, that you don't have a lot of experience or knowledge in different areas that can help your business, that you don't have partners or investors, that you don't have a complete budget for your project, that you don't have a team of trained professionals to help you with your restaurant, that you haven't defined the menu of your restaurant or its prices and profitability. All of these weaknesses can severely affect your business. Next are threats. Threats are negative elements external to your business. Some examples are that there's a lot of direct competition in your city, that there are very few suppliers or that their prices are very high or both, that it's difficult to get some permits for your restaurant, such as the alcohol sales permit, that your venue is located in a bad area of the city. These issues are a bit more difficult to fix than weaknesses because most of the time they're not under your control. Creating a SWOT analysis for your restaurant can be hard, especially if you don't know how to get started or if you do it with the wrong mindset or goals. Therefore, I have created a few tips that can help you create an analysis that is really useful to improve your business. The first tip is that you focus on specific elements for the analysis. Creating specific objectives for the SWOT analysis gives you the advantage that you can study different specific elements of your restaurant. For example, instead of creating an analysis of your entire restaurant, you can create a SWOT analysis for your marketing strategy or of your restaurant's location. This will help you see more clearly the different points of the analysis for your specific objective and to create solutions easily. Of course, if you're creating the SWOT analysis for your business plan, you will have to create a general analysis of your business. The second tip is that you are as impartial as possible. Impartiality is very important while doing a SWOT analysis. This is because exaggerating your strengths and opportunities, even if it sounds contradictory, will not help you sell your project better. The same goes for threats and weaknesses. You cannot try to lessen their potential impact on the project by pretending that these negative elements are not so serious. This will not help you in any way to find real solutions for every problem. How can you stay impartial? Simply carry out this analysis with the help of someone else who knows you or your project. That way, you will avoid the temptation of writing down more strengths than the ones you actually have, or of discarding weaknesses that sound incorrect. The third tip is that you do the analysis with an expert. Doing the SWOT analysis of your restaurant with an expert can help you recognize different elements that you might not consider if you do it alone. Try to do it with people who can bring a new perspective to the analysis. For example, you can do the SWOT analysis of your marketing strategy with a local marketing expert. Their advice can help you see challenges or opportunities that you will not see for yourself, or even that an expert from another city couldn't see. You can perform your menu SWOT analysis with help from an experienced chef, or even with the help of a local foodie or culinary critic. You can also do the general SWOT analysis of your restaurant with help from your partners. This will give you different perspectives, especially if they have experience in this type of business. How to use a SWOT analysis. Something that few videos similar to this one mention is how to use the SWOT analysis of your restaurant. There are two main strategies you can apply at the same time to improve the way you use this analysis. Begin to take advantage of your strengths and opportunities to lessen the impact of your weaknesses and threats. You must study each of these elements to know what you can do with what you have to fill the gaps in your business. For example, if one of your strengths is that you are a marketing expert and one of your weaknesses is that your restaurant's location is not very good, you can start to come up with ways of highlighting the positive elements of your location in your marketing strategy. The second strategy is that you can take advantage of your strengths to improve your opportunities. For example, if a strength you have is that you have experience in managing a restaurant and as a chef, and one of your opportunities is that your competition's prices are very high, you can generate strategies that allow you to offer similar products at a more profitable price, without lowering the quality or even improving it. Anyway, the best thing you can do is focus on working on your weaknesses, either by delegating the areas in which you have less experience or improving in those areas with studies, preparation, or practice. A SWOT analysis can help you in many areas of your business, but mainly it helps you improve it, whether it's a project, a new business, or a restaurant that is already running. Have you performed a SWOT analysis for your restaurant? Leave a comment with your answer. If you like this type of content and you find it useful, leave us a like and subscribe. This is the first video of many to come. Also, that way you can help us help more people like you who want to improve their business. Until next time.